Guys, in this video we will learn how to install current version of XAMPP in our Windows 11. So first of all, open your web browser and search XAMPP. After that, the first website, click on the first website, and here we can see it is available for Windows, Linux and OS. So if you are Windows user, click on Windows. Our downloading is started. You can see if your downloader is not started, then click on here, click here. Now you can see our downloader is started. Wait for a minute. Now we have downloaded the exe file. Now right click and click on open to download the installation. Click on S. Click on OK and next. Keep remain it. Here is your source folder where your XAMPP is downloaded. So if you want to change it, you can change it, but I want to remain it as it is. So click on next. Language you will select from here. Click on next. Now again next. Our installation is started, so wait for a minute. After installation, here the firewall option is visible. Let's go on allow. Now click on finish. Now from here you can start your Apache server. So click on start and MySQL by click on start. So click here Apache. You can also open your XAMPP server control panel from here. Search here XAMPP and click on open. And now from here you can start your Apache server and you can also start MySQL. Here MySQL show a problem. MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So if this error cause in your device, so please click on Windows R and type service.msc. After that click on OK and here you go through the MySQL. Where you see MySQL, stop it. This is here, it is MySQL, it is currently running. So right click and stop. After that go on XAMPP control panel and start it. Wait, it is started with port number 3306. So for verifying it, go on your browser and search localhost phpMyAdmin. Sorry, localhost. After that go on phpMyAdmin. Here you can create your database and tables which you want to use in your any PHP code series and any project. So your installation is completed and it is correctly. So thank you for watching this video. and keep subscribing, because in next video we bring a code series project. So keep subscribing. Thank you.